Namaskar. Welcome to Conversations with Rakesh. I have a question. Rakesh, I have been invited for my first keynote speech at my school. There is a competition amongst the students and they have asked me to be the chief guest, and I'm also supposed to speak for some time. Any tips on how I should go about this entire speech and the process? First of all, congratulations. If you have been invited, that means you're validated. Somebody likes your work. Somebody feels that you are the right fit for this event and a ceremony, and they like you. So congratulations. I think you must have done something great to have received this invitation. So enjoy it, cherish it. Now, this is where my sincere request is: focus all your efforts on three things. Not about earning validation from your audiences. Your audiences have already validated you by sending you this invite. Now you have a chance to really give a great keynote speech, because the keynote speech or a ceremonial speech has an objective, and you as a person has to fulfill these objectives. The first is, a keynote speech or a ceremonial speech is about a ceremony. And you said that you have been invited for a competition. So there's a ceremony. And that ceremony has a purpose, some objective. People are there for that ceremony. So your number one focus is that whatever you speak has to connect with that ceremony. I'll give you another example. There was this one event where somebody was getting retired. And in the honor of this gentleman, there was an event and there was a dinner and there was a chief guest who was invited. And I found that the chief guest was talking about something which was completely irrelevant to the main purpose of the ceremony. The ceremony was about a person retiring. And this person completely took it into some different direction about something that that speaker believed in. And I and many others in the room felt very bad. So your first objective is to make sure that whatever you speak is connected to the objective of the ceremony. If somebody is getting retired, your speech should connect with that person's accomplishments and the process of retirement and the legacy that person has left behind. If you have been invited to give a commencement address in a school, the students, you need to connect with their ceremonial needs, that you have to congratulate them for coming so far. If it's an inauguration ceremony of a new program, you must connect with the purpose of that event. It's an inauguration ceremony, orientation ceremony, product launches, celebration of someone's achievements, or maybe sometimes even a sad occasion. So remember, there is a purpose, and your job is to connect with the main objective of the ceremony. And in this case, if it's a competition, let's say a debating competition or what have you, connected to the purpose of the event. So that is first big request. The second request is, you have to ask your organizers what is the theme and objective and how much time do you have. This is very critical. There's a finite time. It's a physics problem. And कोई भी 25 घंटे के लिए नहीं बैठा है. That event would be 1 or 2 hours. उसमें आपको आधा घंटा 1 घंटा नहीं देंगे. 5 मिनट 10 मिनट. सो पूछ लो फोन करके उनसे. आई एम श्योर यू आर इन टच विद देम. उनसे पूछ लो कि भाई टाइम कितना है मेरे पास. सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट टाइम इज द फिजिक्स ऑफ योर स्पीच. और अगर आपके पास टाइम इज इक्वल टू 5 मिनट्स है या वॉट एवर इज द टाइम, मल्टीप्लाई दैट नंबर विथ 120. दिस इज द स्पीच स्क्रिप्ट दैट यू मस्ट प्रिपेयर. दैट्स योर ऑब्जेक्टिव. नाउ व्हाट विल गो इनसाइड द स्पीच स्क्रिप्ट? That's where your entire communication message is focused on. Ki somewhere you have to think about the most important messages that are relevant for the audience for that event. So for example, you're going for, let's say, a debating competition. You're the chief guest. आपको 5 मिनट के लिए कुछ बोलना है. So see if you can talk about maybe the importance of debating, maybe some story on debating that you have seen as has helped you. Maybe some words of inspiration and wisdom to the people in that room so that they feel good ki yaar, chief guest connected with why we are all here. So this is where you need to write that words, and the words are a function of time. So if you have time is equal to 5 minutes, 120 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5, 600 वर्ड्स. ये आपका काम है, एक पेपर पे लिख लो. और ऐसा नहीं कि आज शाम को इवेंट हो, आज सुबह लिख रहे हो. प्लीज गिव योरसेल्फ सम टाइम, बिकॉज रिमेंबर दे हैव इनवाइटेड यू. इट्स एन एक्ट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट कि आप प्रिपेयर करो, and prepare as early as possible. In fact, many ceremonial speeches, I know a lot of leaders that I work with, they prepare months in advance, if not days, weeks and months in advance. So prepare karo. 5 into 120 is just an example. The third thing, connect those 600 words and structure them in such a way कि आप एक तो story सुनाओ, अपनी personal, how something in your life connects with that, and that's your main message, and inspire your audience. Imagine that you are in the room, you are the person speaking. How would you like the people in the room to react? Do you want them to be bored and frustrated and looking at the watch ki yaar ek kab band karega, or do you want people to listen to you and they're like, wow, this speech changed my life? That's what you need to focus on. And I think it's very easy. कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. It's nothing but general knowledge. But remember the 3 things which I gave you. Number 1, connect with the main purpose of the ceremony. That's very important. Number 2, call up your organizers और उनसे पूछो कितना टाइम है और ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है. Based on that, prepare the script and take your script with you. It's all right if you read. And number 3, when you deliver it, make sure the audience in the room listen to you. They get some emotions, they feel nice, and don't make them feel bored or cringe or get confused. Give them emotions like fun, joy, little bit of smiles, thought-provokingness, maybe some episode from your life, a story that makes them think and reflect on how to live a better life, and deliver it to the best of your ability. And once you do all of these steps, now you go for that day. Practice as much as you can, do your best. Request the organizers to record and give you a recording because it will give you feedback. And then start building your career as a keynote speaker. Blog about this on your social media, put photographs about it, let people download your script and read. And sometimes people read and even give comments and feedback. And your journey as a keynote speaker has become. So, congratulations. It's a great day for you. Somebody has validated you. They have invited you. Now, as a sign of respect, मेहनत करो उस पे. उस स्पीच को इतना अच्छा बनाओ कि लोग डाउनलोड करें, पढ़ें, रिकॉर्डिंग को देखें. The people in that room feel कि यार ये 5 minutes was nice. I really enjoyed it. And you then impact their lives through your words. So all the best. Stay safe.